Hello fellows, welcome to my channel. This channel is entirely dedicated and created for educational purposes only. Here you can find high quality educational materials to learn the basics, whether you are a beginner, more advanced or an intermediate trader. For people that want to see more action, you can check the link on the top right corner and also the Reddit community created for you. Here we are proving our methods with real accounts. We trade for several years and we show that it can be done profitably. You can subscribe as all profits go to our subs. You can find all the details about our accounts. However, since you are new in trading, using real money is almost forbidden. Practice will make you better and do not expect fancy cars and fake promises. Trading is real challenging and the numbers are against you. You won't need any money to start and everything is totally free. For most of our videos, you will find a link in the description that will lead you into a more advanced version of the video, but as beginners, I do not recommend. Stay with the basics and demo trading. So let's begin your journey. Hello fellows, today we will learn how to set up a new fresh trading account from zero, from scratch. Totally free, no money needed, no fees, absolutely nothing. This will be the area you will practice, so you will do it several times. Practice is the key to success, and as we said in this channel, we will use only demos. For more advanced video that we do not recommend, especially if you are new in trading, you can use this link on the top right corner. However, the first thing, we need to open Google. At this point, we don't care so much about the broker. Keep in mind that when you are using real money and real accounts, broker fees and regulation is the #1 priority. In this case, we will open a demo account, so practically we don't use any real money. We don't have to worry if the broker is regulated and any other of this information. For the moment, all brokers provide free demo accounts. Use this in your advantage to progress in your trading. After signing in to any broker, you will have to use their instructions and you will download a platform to trade. There are literally too many of them. For most of our videos, we will use MT4 and MT5, and also you might notice in some cases or in some of my videos that I'm using some other. However, MT4 and MT5 are very common and you can also download your phone. Of course, for most of them you can do the same. The majority of the brokers provide them, but in any case you will see that most platforms are the same. Some looks a bit more fancy, but trust me, they are all the same in their core. I will use this broker, I don't have any benefits from them, and as I said, you can use any broker you want since we are trading with demo. Install the platform. In our example, we will use MT4. Every broker provides different services, and here you can find them. Again, as I said, if you are using another platform, this might be different. Since we are trading high leverage products, and again, you don't have to pay attention to the definitions. You will find the explanations for all of them. Here are our demo accounts, and here is where you need to pay attention. Why demo? Well, of course, the answer is very simple. Because it's zero risk. I will show you how to open an account. Of course, we are talking about the MT4. You will have two options. Depends on your trader. I will choose the demo. I will create a new demo account, and this is the point that you will choose the leverage. Again, for people that have no idea for trading and they have no idea from this kind of definitions and so on, you don't have to worry because I will give explanation for every single that in this channel, and that's why we are here. After you create your demo account, you will get a unique ID for each account. Of course, I have also live accounts. Why this is important? Well, actually, this is the most important part in your trading because you need to keep notes. And that's why we are choosing the brokers that we want to choose, because you can have the entire trading history in your palm. And this is the most important part because you need to keep notes, especially when you are new in trading. You can make as many accounts as you want. There are some brokers that then can provide you also with statements weekly, monthly, and some of them yearly. Why it's important to start with demos? Well, trading is very hard. Trading is a marathon. Most people and actually 80% of new traders quit as soon as they start. Most of them quit in less than 8 to 10 months, statistically. So patience is the key that you need to have. When you open an account, I have opened here, you can find all the information you need. Again, we are talking about the MT4. My initial account was 10,000. The currency also depends on you. For this broker, I had to choose between euro, so I had to choose euro. So I start this account with 10,000. Now my account is at 22k. Do not get excited, it's just a demo. Why it's important to have demo and why it's important to start with demo? Practice is the key in trading. Practice will make you better. I don't know exactly when, but I can guarantee that in time you will become a better trader. Why demo? Well, the answer is very simple. You have zero risk. You can make as many tests as you want. The only thing you need to invest is time. And this is the most valuable asset because you cannot buy time. For every account you create, there is a unique ID. Every time you are changing your strategy, you can make another account. So this will make you more agile. It will give you the advantage and you will be able to take notes and check if your account is working, if your strategy is working, if your progress is working. It doesn't have to be complicated in the beginning. We just start with simple steps. I have opened a demo account, as we mentioned before. We start with a funding balance of 10,000 USD. It's also important to pay attention in the currency, in what currency you want to open your account. This depends on the broker. However, my strong recommendation to you is to use some strong currency. Anyway, I don't want to mess with some definitions. You don't have to use that. You are still in the beginning. I have already opened a demo account. The balance is 10,000. A 10,000 balance will help me. If I want to make a mirror account, a real account with 1,000 USD, will give me an idea, an image, because I can use 10 in the end and I can make much easier my calculations. However, since you are watching this channel, I do not recommend to create any real account. That's why we are here. You can start with demos. Again, as I said, you have zero risk, so stick with that. Now, let's see why trading is so simple and why it's so complicated. The time you are trading, it doesn't matter what exactly you are trading. This will take some time. It will take some time to find your market. Either you want to trade stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, binary option. I don't want to say so many definitions at this point, so we just want to see how you can start with the basics and understand some basic analogies and how this will cost, how to use the trade, how to use the platform, how you can use some basic things that you don't have to worry about them later. So there is an option. Every time you are trading, you must make a decision. Either you want to go long, which means that you want to buy the market. Other times you want to go short, so it means that you want to sell the market. Trading is very simple, and that's why most people believe that can beat the market. You have a 50% chance either to succeed in your trade, either to fail. However, the numbers show exactly the opposite. 90% of people trading the markets are losing. So how this is even possible since you just have a 50% chance? In most of the times you will just see a diagram. Of course, you won't use this, you will use candlesticks. We will give explanations about all that, so just be patient. Every time that you are trading, you're going to see a diagram and you have to make a decision. Either you want to put a buy order, either you want to put a short order. It means that either you believe the market will go higher, either you believe the market will go lower. Of course, I'm trying to oversimplify the definitions here. Again, this is a simple video on how to set up a new account. Again, remember what I said. You don't need any capital. You will need zero money. The only thing you need to invest is your time. We won't see any definitions on how to put a long position, a short position, buy, sell, pending orders, stop losses, and so on. This is the fundamental. This is your bread and butter. You have to use it in your trading. This is how you start. You make a demo account. Again, you don't care about the risk. You don't care anything about that. You just need your time. You need your dedication. Push random buttons. Do whatever you want. You can practice for as long as you want. There is zero impact. But again, remember, you need to point at the right direction. And that's why we are here. Thank you very much, guys, and I hope you enjoy my videos. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching our videos. I hope you enjoy. You know that we need your subscriptions, likes, and comments for the YouTube algorithm. Help us to make more content and trade safe.